Today I am going to take the lecture on the subject Open Source Technology, and the session name is MySQL. Now let's start. This is the roadmap. In this introduction of MySQL, connecting and disconnecting, entering basic queries, creating and using a database. The MySQL. MySQL is a very popular open source database, officially pronounced MySQL, that is MySQL, not MySQL. Okay, handles very large databases, very fast performance. Why are we using MySQL? Because it is free, much cheaper than Oracle. It can be installed MySQL, easy to use, shell for creating tables, querying tables, etc. Easy to use with Java, JDBC. The next is connecting to MySQL. MySQL provides an interactive shell for creating tables, inserting data, etc. On Windows, just go to c:/mysql/bin and type MySQL. Okay, or click on the Windows icon. Next is sample session. For example, you can see in this screen, enter password, welcome to MySQL, and your MySQL connection ID is this, and type help or press /# for help, and the last is MySQL with angle braces closed. Okay, to exit the MySQL shell, just type quit or exit. This is MySQL prompt, and you just type quit. If you want to exit, just MySQL, and after that exit you have to type. These are some basic queries. Once logged in, you can try some simple queries. For example, is MySQL, select version, current date. Okay, the version current date is this, and one row is set to this. Okay, so note that most MySQL commands end with a semicolon. MySQL returns the total number of rows found and the total time to execute the query. And the keyword may be entered in any letter case. The following queries are equivalent: MySQL select version, current date, MySQL select version, current date, MySQL select version, current date. These all are equivalent. Okay. Here's another query. It demonstrates that you can use MySQL as a simple calculator. Right? So after MySQL prompt, select sin pi by 4 and 4 plus 1 multiply by 5, and here sin pi by 4 you can see in this slide. Okay, the value of sin pi itna is this, and 4 plus 1 multiplied by, that is 25. Okay, you can also enter multiple statements on a single line, just and each one with a semicolon. You can see here, select version and select now. The version is this 3.22.20a-log. Now it is 2004, and this is the timings. Okay. Then multi-line commands. MySQL determines whether your statement ends by looking for the terminating semicolon, not by looking for the end of the input line. Here's a simple multiple line statement. MySQL select user and current date. Okay, so you can see here user in this this is a username, and the current date is 1999 third is the month and 18 is the date. Cancelling a command. If you decide you don't want to execute a command that you are in the process of entering, cancel it by typing /c. In the MySQL prompt, you just write select, after that user and simple braces and /c. So this is look like this. Okay. The next is using a database. To get started on your own database, first check which databases currently exist. Use the show statement to find out which databases currently exist on the server. You can see here MySQL show databases, MySQL test. The second is row is test 0.01 section. To create a new database, issue the create database command, that is MySQL create database webdb. Okay, to select a database, issue the use command, like MySQL, here you type use webdb. Creating a table. Once you have selected a database, you can view all database tables. Like MySQL, after that you type show tables, empty set this, and empty set indicates that I have not created any tables yet. Okay. Now next is creating a table. Let's create a table for storing pets. This is the table of pets. Here you have to write name. Name is a data type. Varchar is usually used to store string data. So varchar here for name varchar 20. Owner is also taken varchar 20. Species. Okay. And sex character 1. Okay, because it is either F or M. So you can use this data type. Birth is date and date is date. Okay. Creating a table. To create a table, use the create table command. You can see here create table pet, name, owner, species, sex, birth date. You have to write all these 5 you can say field with data type. You have to mention here. Okay, and query okay, 0 row selected. Okay. Showing table. To verify that the table has been created, then how we can know that our table is created? Okay, so you have to write show table after the MySQL command, and in this you have to you can see here tables in test and pet means 1 row is set. Okay. Describing tables. To view a table structure, use the describe command. See here MySQL, you have to just type describe pet. So name, owner, species, sex, birth, date. These are the data types and these are the values which you have to null means all the value means no you have to no column empty. You have to fulfill all the columns. So you have to specify yes in the null column. Then after keys, if you want to specify the key like shortcut keys, okay, and default value is also null because you have to mention the entry in the table if you create a field or column. And there are 6 rows. Insert this, you can see here, means 6 entries. Now deleting a table. To delete an entire table, use the drop table command. MySQL drop table pet query okay, 0 rows affected, right? You have to write drop table pet, means you are deleting pet table. Okay. Now loading data. Use the insert statement to enter data into a table. For example, insert into pet values like Fluffy, Harold, cat, F, and same for means all the 6 fields you have to insert here. So the next slide shows a full set of sample data. Now loading sample data. You could create a text file pet.txt containing 1 record per line. Values must be separated by tabs and given in the order in which the columns were listed in the create table statement. Then load the data via the load data command. this is the sample data file. These are the fields you have mentioned in your table. Okay, /n is for next line, right? And to load pet.text MySQL, you have to write load data local in file with inverted comma. This is the file name pet.text, into where the pet table means this field is added into the pet table. Okay, thank you for listening. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.